Dear students, in this unit we will talk about convergent evolution. This is a very important aspect of the evolution. Now, in evolutionary biology, convergent evolution is actually a process whereby different organisms which are not related to each other, they independently evolve similar traits as a result of having to adapt to similar environment or ecological niche. Mean a different environment and different organism, but they go through the same environment and they adapt a certain trait which resembles with each other. This is known as convergent evolution. Now, convergent evolution, it is the independent evolution of similar features in distant species of different periods or even different epochs in time. Convergent evolution creates analog structures that have similar form or function but were not present in the last common ancestor of those groups. For example, here we take the example that the ancestors of fruit bat, they were mammals, while the ancestor of pterosaur, they are the reptiles, and the bluebird, they are actually the avian group. But three of them, they have developed similar cultural adaptation to similar environmental condition, and they have grown different similar organs, and although their ancestor had different cultures or different organizational structures. On a molecular level, this can also happen due to random mutation which are not related to adaptive changes. Now, in this example, we see that whether it's a fruit bat, which is a group which belongs to the mammals, and pterosaurs, which is extinct now, it's not present, while the bluebird, just like other birds, they have feather just to adapt to the aerial environment and aerial habitats. Now, all three of them, they have the ability to fly, or they had the ability to fly, and they developed wing-like structures, but their ancestors, all of their ancestors, they did not have these structures, but they have developed due to certain molecular changes or the mutations which occurred independently in these groups. Now, in this example of convergent evolution, the similar nature of flight or wings of insects, birds, and pterosaurs or bats, they all appeared in the evolutionary history independent of each other, but they occupy the same or common habitat. All four serve the same function and are similar in structure, but each evolve independently. Some aspect of the lens of the eyes, this is another example that the lens of the eyes, they have also evolved independently in various animal, but the purpose is same, the vision. Similarly, a convergent evolution can tell us a lot about what kind of adaptation work to help those species survive all the trials and tribulations they might face in a particular type of environment.